are all the ingredients.
Hi everyone, my name is Arabella Bersaba and today we will make a potato bravas. So let's start first cooking the sauce. So let's open the stove. So we open the stove and let's wait and preheat the pan in 5 minutes. And now our pan is ready and let's put some oil. And now we put onions and next the garlic. And now we put the tomatoes. And now we are done in sauce. Let's cook the potato. And add some oil. And now the pan is ready, so let's put the potatoes. We cook the tomato. Let's shift the tomato sauce into the shifter. So this is the shifter. So let's tomato sauce. So when the tomato is done, let's so the potato is done.